Remove the opening tool. Penetrates into the fiber optic cable to stripping pliers benchmarking end. Holding clamp handle. Pull out the cable. Check the fiber is damaged. The cable sheath incision close retaining surface. Close the guide stripper. Pull out the cable. Clean with alcohol fiber. Open guide stripper. The cable cut pressing block. Together into the cutter groove. Cutting bare fiber. Length 6.5 millimeters. Carefully into the optical fiber. The cable sheath incision to the top of the limit rod. Pressure clamp cable sheath. Press the cowled putment. Completely fixed cable sheath. Press box cover. Fixing the bare fiber. Determine fiber curvature, and then pull out the dust cap. Clean the furrow end face. Pull down the dust cap. Shell. Finish quickly end. Below is the decomposition demonstration. Against the dust cap, back shell. The opening tool, pushing the box cover. Open and push side cover. Loosen